Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jachregantravis from Numerical Method Class 01, and today I'll be talking about applications of numerical methods for circular economy and engineering. So before we start off, let me explain what is circular economy and engineering. So, especially in numerical methods provide valuable tools for circular economy engineers by enabling them to design, optimize, and evaluate systems that minimize waste, maximize resource recovery, and promote a more sustainable product life cycle. So, in order to reach a greener economy, to make an economy that's more whole, so we need to minimize waste and maximize resource recovery, and this is where it comes from. And so one of the applications of circular economy in engineering is through aeration systems in wastewater treatment. So what are aeration systems specifically? Aeration systems are a crucial component of wastewater treatment processes, which are designed to introduce air into the wastewater to promote the growth of aerobic bacteria, which decompose organic matter. So uh, to treat the water, oxygen needs to be there, air needs to be there, so that organic matter will decompose faster. So, in this sense, a circular economy would be to reduce the footprint of the wastewater treatment. So, to try and see and solve the problem of the wastewater treatment aeration, we're gonna use the E5 problem-solving method, which consists of four main steps: intention, initial thinking about the problem, idealization, and instruction. So we're gonna first jump into the first step, which is intention. What is the intention? Why do we do this? The intention for me, myself personally, is to optimize the design and operation of aeration systems in wastewater treatment plants to enhance oxygen transfer efficiency, reducing energy consumption, and improving overall treatment performance. So, it's to optimize optimization, which is one of the main subjects in numerical methods. So, to maximize something, intention is to maximize something based on what we have and learn to appreciate what we have by optimizing it, because everything that we do is possible only because of God, our creator, and we need to maximize that. So, as we know, the resources in this world are finite. They're just as much resources as humans in the world, probably. And we need to make sure that our resources can be used for generations to come. And this is why circular economy engineering is an important topic right now, where we need to try to make things more sustainable, as we're not living in this planet alone. We still have generations to come that we still need to think about as the population of the world keeps expanding, almost passing 8 billion, already at passing 8 billion right now. So we need to maximize what we have, and that's my intention on doing this work, is to find out how do we make this world a better place, because every small things count. Every small things that we do uh, has an effect, has a exponential effect on the world. So that's my intention. So my initial thinking about the problem is operating aeration systems and wastewater treatment starts with understanding the current design, operational parameters, and performance metrics. So we need to know what are the metrics are, and we need to improve the oxygen transfer efficiency and reduce the energy consumption. If we can do one of those, it's great. But if we can both make it more efficient and reduce while reducing the energy transmission consumption, that'll be really great. Of course, we need to identify issues on the current systems like poor oxygen distribution and why is it so. So on the bottom right corner of the screen is a map of a flow of aeration systems, and how if it flows, it should have better aeration, then it should decompose faster and be better. So after we finished these two steps of the DAI-5 method, we move on to the final two, which is idealization and destruction, which in this video I combined. So the solution to this is a high rate algal ponds, or HRAP WWF wastewater WWT wastewater treatment. So a high rate algal ponds wastewater treatment are cost-effective systems designed to enhance wastewater treatment and microalgal biomass production. So in this treatment system, microalgae assimilates nutrients from the wastewater and produces the oxygen needed by bacteria to oxidize the organic matter. So HRAP uh, is used to enhance it. So this is what we are looking for. We are looking to enhance what we have already, which is a conventional wastewater treatment. And uh, so what are the results? What this is a high rate algal pond, so but how do they differ from a regular wastewater treatment? So here are the results. For economical aspects, the capital costs for HRAPs are low, fairly low, compared to the general WWT system. Although for commercial applicability, uh, the HRAP still has uh, uh, is higher is higher than the general WWT, which is good. And for the environmental aspects, there are none for air traps as they are way more efficient, and meanwhile there are significant water footprint for the WWT system, for the general WWT system, and of course there are high risk of contaminations and a low nutrient management. Meanwhile, for the HRAP WWTs, has no water footprint and it generally has a less risk of contamination and it has a high nutrient management. So, and for acceptance and the social aspects, the general wastewater treatment systems is rare and in rural Europe and remote areas, sorry. Meanwhile, the HRAPs are easy and has a potential for rural and remote areas. So with this study, it's proven that the HRAPs WWT is way better than the general WWT, and people should start implementing this as this is a part of the circular economy where we want to reduce the footprint while maximizing the output, and this makes total sense. So the conclusion is HRAP wastewater treatment is significantly better than general wastewater treatment in terms of pollutant removal efficiency. And before I close off this video, I have a conscious quote of the day. The world is a constant. The world is a constant dialogue. Listen deeply, not just with their ears, but with their heart and their full presence. So this is a reminder for every one of us, because sometimes we like to hear someone say something, but we're not fully in the zone. We're in our own zone, and we're not fully listening to the other person. And in my religion, you're taught to be someone who cares about another person, someone who listens and looks out for the others. And so, if you're in a conversation and you're not putting your heart and your full presence into it, then it's the same as you're not in there at all. You're not there at all. So, this is a really important reminder for me, for everyone watching this video, and I hope this becomes a lesson for everyone. And I guess that is it for me today. I hope you have gained a bit of knowledge or information from me today. And thank you. If you'd like to watch some other videos, uh, you may click down here. And this is a part of the part three in the final challenge series. So do sure to check out all the other challenges, to check out all the other videos, and see you guys soon. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.